Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my framed diamond painting kits. I actually recorded a very similar video several months ago before Christmas, but in this video I will try to show you non-Christmas related diamond painting kits and the kits that I framed recently, because the majority of them were in my unframed stash due to the non-standard size. And the first one is this gorgeous autumn bridge. I'm not sure about the correct name. It's from Diamond Dots. I purchased it a few years ago and diamond painted it, but since the size was a non-very standard 50 by 50 centimeters, I couldn't diamond paint, I couldn't frame it. So I purchased this frame on Amazon or Walmart, I do not remember, but both websites had the frames in a similar price range, around $20-25, which is very cheap. I will elaborate later on it. So I really like this frame. I like the color. I think that gold looks gorgeous with this kit, with this design, better to say. And I got it. I purchased it online, and I really like how it looks behind the glass. I think that the color frame fits the design perfectly. So this is the first one. The next one is the kit, the post review of which I uploaded today, Be Still Spring from Diamond Dots. The size is 56 by 71 centimeters, but I was very surprised to find out that it's a standard size for the frame, so I purchased the frame with no effort at Walmart, at a physical store. So I diamond painted it, framed it right away. The next one is a Christmas kit from German company Avec, or French company, I'm not sure. I was just shipped this kit from, this kit was shipped from Germany to me by my friend. By the way, this kit contained acrylic drills, and as you can see, it doesn't sparkle as much as, for example, these two. Okay, because these two have resin drills. The next one is from Diamond Dots. It was just a small mini kit, and I didn't put it behind the glass. I had so-called museum mounting for $15 maybe, I'm not sure, at one of the custom framing. So that's how it looks. This is Diamond Art Club Eiffel Tower, or Eiffel Tower. The size is pretty standard, 30 by 40 centimeters. The next one is Succulents. I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. From Diamond Dots. That one had an non-standard size, like 34 by 43 centimeters, something like that, very unstandard. So I had to purchase it at Arts to Frames, because on that very website it is possible to adjust the precise size, so to say. So the next one is Vanity Owl from Diamond Art Club. That one was of a standard size, 30 by 30 centimeters, so I purchased the frame from Michaels. This is Sun and Moon, or something like this, from Diamond Dots. I diamond painted a very long time ago, but again the size was very non-standard, also like 33 by 47 centimeters, so it also took me a while to find the frame. These frames are available in the same Art of Frames website, but the problem is that such frames are more expensive than standard sized frames. So I also needed time not only find them, but also save some money to pay for them. Okay, so, and I really like how it turned out. I think that gold color also looks pretty nice on them. The next one is already pre-framed. It came mounted on the wood, and I just wanted you to note the glow. This one used the acrylic drills. This is the same brand. Both kits, the owl and the cat, come from the same brand, a Russian brand, Mosfa. I really like this brand because the final result looks amazing. They hand charged their kits, but the problem is that recently this brand was sold, and now they use acrylic drills. Now, do you see the difference between acrylic and resin drills. Resin drills sparkle, and the glass doesn't take away any sparkle. It's a myth that the glass can take away sparkle. As to the acrylic drills, they glow. I think you see, right, the difference between these two very kits, how they sparkle, so to say. Owl sparkles because it has resin drills. As to the cat, it just glows because acrylic drills glow and they are of very low quality in comparison to resin drills. The next one is a cat from Diamond Dots. I don't remember the size, but it also was non-standard, so I also took it to the custom framing, and they used this museum mounting or whatever it is. So it's ready to be sold, and Diamond Dots has a very good adhesive along with the resin drills, so you can do whatever. You see I'm scratching it and not a single drill falls off. That is why I'm actually against sealing diamond paintings, because if you purchase high quality kits, there is no need in sealing. The majority of high quality brands like Diamond Dots, Diamond Tower Club, etc., Dreamer Designs, they give lifelong guarantee that the drills will not fall off. And see what I'm doing? They're absolutely right. Not a single drill fell off. The next one is vintage roses from Diamond Dots. I had them in my stash for like, I don't know, 4 years because of the non-standard size. This kit wasn't framed, so finally I purchased a very, as you can see, very simple frame, just black one. Framed them, and I really like it because it's a very universal gift. It can be given away to anybody. The next one is Celtic Wolf guide from Diamond Dots. This one was 50 by 50 centimeters, and I purchased it from Arts to Frames. I don't know, either for $40 or $50 the frame. That is why I was kind of concerned and not willing to spend this money for this very kit, for framing this very kit. But then I found out that 50 by 50 centimeter frames are sold also for in Walmart and on Amazon, and way cheaper than Arts to Frames. So I bought it for just $20, and I was very happy about it because I was planning to spend at least $50, just like I did for this gorgeous wolf. The next one is Bohemian Bear from Diamond Dots, partial diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters, my favorite size, and the kits of the size are very standard. I mean, the frames for this kind of kits of the size are very standard. That is why I didn't have any problem purchasing it. This one is also from Germany, a brand Avec, but the size is standard 40 by 50 or 40 by 60 centimeters, golden frame, acrylic drills. But over there I used a lot of AB drills. That is why it sparkles more or less okay. And the last kit that I wanted to show you, I call it Amsterdam, I don't know the correct name for this kit, also from Germany, from brand Avec, acrylic drills, 40 by 60 centimeters. So do you see the difference between resin and acrylic drills? And I customized this very kit a lot. I used a lot of AB drills on it, like very high quality AB drills from Diamond Dots. If I didn't, it wouldn't sparkle as much as it does now, as it is now. So this is all for today. Just wanted to show you some of my framed diamond paintings. These are not all. This is not all. I have way more, but those that I have are like Christmas and Halloween related. You saw them in my videos a few months ago, so I didn't want to repeat myself and show them again. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.